Python lambdas are short and anonymous functions. You can define a lambda by using the lambda keyword, followed by comma-separated parameters, a colon, and then a simple return expression like so. You can go ahead and assign a lambda to a variable using the assignment operator and then just call it like a function or pass it in to another function like so. Lambdas also allow you to return a lambda, and as you would probably guess, this causes some interesting behavior. If you've come so far into the video, it's time for a quiz. Question 1. What is the correct way of defining a lambda in Python? Question 2. How can we turn this function into a lambda? Question 3. What is this code going to output? This was Python Lambdas in 60 seconds. Drop a like and subscribe if you found this helpful.